Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at getwidstep.com, an online shop that claims to be a sanctuary for the wide-footed among us, offering everything from orthopedic socks to toe separators. It all sounds very cozy and supportive until you actually look at the details. Is this a legitimate business or just another digital trap for your credit card? Let's break it down step by step, hopefully without stubbing our toes on the truth. The first red flag is a classic case of chronological confusion. Their privacy policy claims it was updated in June 2024, which is impressive considering the domain wasn't actually registered until October 2024. I suppose they're so forward-thinking, they started protecting your data for months before they actually existed. Because the site is essentially a newborn, it has absolutely no track record, making it about as trustworthy as a used car salesman in a dark alley. Moving on to the products, things don't get much better. While the shoes look great in the photos, a quick search via Google Lens reveals that most of these images were shamelessly lifted from other websites. It's a bold marketing strategy to sell products using photos you didn't actually take of inventory you might not actually have. If a brand can't even be bothered to snap a picture of their own shoes, you have to wonder what exactly is going to show up in your mailbox, if anything at all. The professional contact information is where the comedy really peaks. They provide an email, a phone number, and a physical address to give you that warm, fuzzy feeling of security. However, a closer look reveals the address was simply copied and pasted from a completely different company. It's comforting to know that if you have a problem, you can send a complaint to a building that has no idea this website exists. Good luck getting a refund from a ghost. Then there's the marketing, which is essentially a permanent, everything-must-go fever dream. The site is plastered with massive discounts, holiday sales, and buy one get one free offers that scream desperation rather than a good deal. The product descriptions are less about specs and more about aggressive sales hype designed to make you click, buy before your brain can intervene. It's the digital equivalent of a loud man with a megaphone shouting about a sale that never ends. Finally, let's talk about the reviews. Their own website is conveniently packed with glowing, 5-star testimonials that sound like they were written by the same overly enthusiastic person. Meanwhile, the rest of the internet is suspiciously silent. There are no Trustpilot ratings and no Reddit discussions to be found anywhere. Without independent feedback, those perfect reviews are about as real as the site's physical address. So, what is the final verdict? When you combine a time-traveling domain, stolen photos, a fake address, and a total lack of third-party reviews, getwidstep.com isn't just a red flag. It's a whole parade of them. We strongly recommend keeping your wallet in your pocket and avoiding this site until they decide to operate like a real business. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews that keep the scammers at bay.